How to exclude a list from Captain and Zoho Books. Got duplicate or irrelevant transactions in Zoho Books? Here's how to exclude them step by step. So on your Zoho Books dashboard, head over into the banking tab and then go ahead and select an account. Open the banking module and select the account where the transactions are listed. Head to and categorize transactions tab, and this shows all imported transactions waiting to be categorized. Select the transactions you don't want in your books, then click exclude. This removes them from your active records. Enter a reason for exclusion like duplicate or personal expense, then confirm by clicking exclude all. You can view excluded items anytime under manually excluded. Automatically excluded duplicates also appear in their own section. Excluding transactions in Zoho Books keeps your records clean, prevents double counting, and ensures reports stay accurate. And that is how to exclude a list from Captain in Zoho Books.